We're live from Las Vegas celebrating 10 years of reInvent. We have more speakers than ever from underrepresented communities at this conference. We're told that's a big win for us. Let's dive more deeply into how inclusion and diversity intersect with tech. For more, we're joined by Kelly Schultz. Hi, Kelly.
Thanks, Melissa. I'm here today with Jamika Pankey and Darrell Bonner from the Inclusion, Diversity, and Equity team at AWS, and they're going to tell us a bit about our diversity programs at AWS and here at reInvent. Jamika, let's start with you. Can you tell me how important is diversity at AWS?
It is very important. And here at AWS, we actually lean in with I, which is inclusion. It's all about belonging. Then we go to diversity and equity. We have three major pillars. We believe in that we cultivate a culture of inclusion where everyone feels included. Then we go to grow talent. We want to grow the most diverse talent internally and externally. And last but not least, community and customer and partner engagement. We can't do anything unless our customers are at the forefront. We believe in day one with our customers.
So true. And also, Darrell, I know you have really been focused on reInvent and how you can bring more underrepresented technologists into the program and help them along. What are we doing for underrepresented technologists here at reInvent?
Yeah, well, thanks for the question, Kelly. So at AWS, we know that good intentions doesn't affect change, that mechanisms do. And so we're so thrilled to continue our All Builders Welcome grant. And the purpose of the grant is to increase inclusion, diversity, and equity and belonging at reInvent amongst underrepresented technologists. And we targeted technologists within the first 5 years of their career. So thrilled to partner with our sponsors, Accenture and Netflix, and the AWS training and certification team. So many opportunities available. This was a fully accommodated hotel and flight, and just a depth and breadth of opportunity for these grantees to take advantage of.
Yeah.
So happy to partner with our certification team, giving exclusive access to our keynotes, to our self-paced lab, so that they can literally on site get our industry recognized certifications. So tons of fun, tons of opportunity, 25 countries represented in our cohort, and so we're so thrilled to partner on the grant and looking forward to what's to come.
Wow, that is so exciting. I actually did not know that.
Yes.
So you said 25 countries are represented.
25 countries represented. Yep.
That's really cool.
Yep.
I love that. So Jamika, I guess I'll finish with you. How can attendees here at reInvent support diversity? How can they get involved?
Absolutely. Well, I want to start by saying what our vision statement is this year. It is the significance of the intersectionality between inclusion, diversity, and equity and technology globally. So what that means is we have over 36 sessions this year. This is the first time ever. Please attend one of our sessions. Please talk to some of our people. Come by our All Builders Welcome ID&E Lounge. You can get involved today by learning how to be a true advocate and ally to the cause. Thank you for all that you do. I'll turn it back over to you.
Thank you so much. I think we even have an ally button this year.
We do. We have pronouns, we have ally buttons,
Yes.
we have t-shirts. We have amazing speakers and customers that really are engaged with this work. So come on over and learn some more. The All Builders Welcome ID&E Lounge inside the reInvent All Builders Fair.
Well, you guys, I'm so grateful to you and all the work that you've done. I'm head of content, so I've been working really closely with you guys on all of these things, and it's been awesome and just
Absolutely.
really exciting work. I can't wait for it to grow bigger and bigger each year. And of course, you know, if you go to any of our sessions and you fill out our surveys and you have feedback, we would love to hear it. We would love to know what we could be doing to help grow this community and this, you know, process and programs and policies and all the things. So back to you, Melissa.
Great work. I'm Melissa Perrin-Sherrill, and you're watching Live from reInvent.